Hello, I'm Irma Garcia. You're watching the City of Harlingen YouTube channel. Today I'm talking to our Public Works Director, Mr. Rodrigo Davila, and we're going to talk, thank you, sir, for being with us, by the way, welcome. We're going to talk about something that we get questions about all the time, and that is brush. Where do I place my brush? Where is the correct place to put it?
So there's no one specific place to put it, but we always try to advise a general area. One thing that we encourage our citizens to do is to go to our website. We have flyers like these that talk about the proper placement, where to separate it to stay away from obstacles such as gas meters, water meters, or anything that's coming from the ground that provides services to the house, clean outs and such. We use heavy equipment, as you're going to see behind us, and so what we don't want is to not be able to see something that's underneath a pile of brush and pick it up and cause any damages to the residents. So we ask them to keep their limbs about 5 feet in length, pile them up, keep brushes away from general debris such as lawn chairs that are broken and that they're trying to get rid of, or maybe old furniture and stuff like that they're getting rid of. We do pick up those as well, but we want those piles to be separate because the way we place them in our transfer station and transport them out, we need those to be separate. We also encourage folks, because of the machinery that we use, we ask them that any loose leaves are placed either in paper bags, preferably, but they can also place them in plastic bags, those 30-gallon bags that they can get at their local stores. And we will pick them up as well, as long as they're just filled with leaves. That helps them keep their area clean. It helps us because all that did not get picked up by the claws of the machine eventually rolls onto the street. It goes onto our drainage, and it can cause other problems such as clogging and so on and so forth.
Okay, so when it comes to, do I put it on the curb or do I put it on the street? What is the rule for that?
The rule is to put it on your curb. Find a place. As you see behind us, it is between the curb. It is a pile that's a little bit bigger. We understand that some of the leaves may come over to the street. We want to keep as much of it off of the street as we can. When it comes onto the street, it's an obstacle for drive-byers and so on and so forth, and we want to keep that clean.
And I'm looking around because I'm trying to see if there is a storm, the drainage storm, because something like this, if it rains right now, it's gonna possibly take some of those leaves and put it in the storm system, like you were saying.
Right. As everybody's aware, we are in hurricane season right now, so we do have a schedule. Again, please visit our website. We have a schedule of the areas that we collect. We divide the city into 4 areas, and we collect each area one complete week of the month, and we do that on a rotation basis. So we encourage our citizens to look at this map so that they can get an idea of when we're going to be in that area. They can always call and ask questions, but we want them to kind of be prepared, right? If they anticipate that they're going to be doing large amounts of cleaning, then know when we're going to be in the area. And that way, as soon as they place it down, we will pick it up and take it, and it doesn't stay there. In the event that a hurricane or a storm, like the one that's out there now, comes in, and we are 3 weeks away from your area, we may not be able to go pick it all up, or we just don't have the manpower to be out throughout the city all and doing it in one day.
Now, Rodrigo, not everybody has curb. So what happens then?
So when they don't have curb and they have roadside ditches, we encourage them to place it away from that as much as possible, to place it if there's no other area to place it within their property. And we understand there's some properties that are just very limited by the space, that they do it 1 or 2 days prior to us coming in and collecting. So that allows us to be able to pick it up and get it out of their area very efficiently, instead of it sitting there for maybe 1-2 weeks at a time, and rain is to come in, and it is going to clog up the system, and that's what we want to avoid.
So we got to work together then. The community has to work with us, and we have to work with them.
We are here to help. They can go to our website again. We have flyers. We have a daily map that we update daily to let them know what's been picked up and where we're going to be next. They can also call our office 956-216-5300, and anybody that answers the phone should be able to answer any questions that they have or get them the information that they need.
Okay, and before I let you go, just one more question. When we're cutting our grass, we always hear, don't blow the clippings onto the road.
That is correct. For those of you that have blowers or have contractors that come and do your lawn service, please ask them to blow the grass, either blow it into a pile, put it in bags so that we can collect it, or blow it back onto the yard. It actually helps your yard to keep it more green and stuff. So please help us in that way.
For the same reason, we don't want it to go into our storm sewer system.
We do not want it into our system, yes.
Yeah. All right, our storm system, yeah. All right, anything that we've left out?
No, I think we covered it all. But again, if you have any questions, please visit our website. The flyer is there. It gives you do's and don'ts. It gives you some points, some tips, or they can call our office again, and we'll be more than glad to answer.
Very good. Thank you so much. Happy picking up.
Thank you.
We got a lot to pick up. Thank you for watching the City of Harlingen YouTube channel. I'm Irma Garza.